We stopped buying bread 4 or 5 years ago when we realized that all things were not healthy that were going into a commercial bread. Hello friends, Ravneet Bala welcomes you back to her channel with an amazingly flavorful recipe of sourdough bread bun or burger bun. And if you are interested in learning how to make 100% sourdough starter with whole wheat flour at home, let me know in comments. For this recipe, to make burger bun, you will need 1/4 cup of fresh starter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. If you want to sift the flour, please do. That will give you an airy bread that won't be as dense as most sourdough breads are. Mix and then add 1/4 cup of water, and remember it should be a very sticky dough. If it is not sticky, you may add little extra amount of water than given in this recipe. Now add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I always prefer using extra virgin olive oil for all my bakes. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which have anti-inflammatory properties and are found only in animal sources. So this is your one source of omega-3. And apart from extra virgin olive oil, stop buying any other type of olive oil available on the market, including extra light, and pomace olive oil, because all of these are processed. Now we'll need to refrigerate the dough. Remember, this is a no-knead bread, and I have just used my spoon or spatula to mix the bread very well. Now rest it in the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After resting time in the refrigerator, we'll need to shape it into a bun. So I have divided it into 3 buns. It is a very sticky dough as I told you, but don't worry, it will give you an amazingly soft and flavorful healthy bread. Shape into a bun, and we'll need a greased bowl to place the bun. Now we will be resting the buns for at least 2 hours, because at my place it rose within 2 hours. But if temperature at your place is low, it's still you are in colder conditions, the buns or the bread may take longer to rise. Wait for them to rise. Preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and sprinkle sesame seeds on top of the bread. Now we'll be baking the sourdough bread burger bun with whole wheat flour at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. Probably it should be done within 25 minutes, but timing might vary from one appliance to another. Immediately apply butter or give it a milk wash. Let it rest for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, wow, this is such a pleasing sight. Whenever I make breads, I feel so happy looking at my bread's texture. Soft, sweet, flavorful, healthy bread bun is ready to be relished. Homemade bread is really magic. And apart from this burger bun, I have already shared many recipes with sourdough starter and whole wheat flour, so do check out those recipes. I'll be sharing the playlist on the channel. I hope you like and enjoyed this recipe of sourdough bread. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.